Hey team, Coach Laura Maurer here. For those of you who don't know me, I was just emailing back and forth with Christy and had a huge aha moment for today. What it was I realized that I was not doing the basics of the business, i.e. the 4 vital behaviors. And instead, a lot of the times I noticed I would come into my office for the day and just go and start training videos. And the reason I did this was because I thought that I needed to always to know everything, be that person that when somebody came to me, I could answer every single question that came up. And that just took so much time from my business to where instead I could have been inviting more people, expanding my market more. I could have been, connecting with more people on Instagram because my Instagram account isn't followed by that many people, that sort of thing. I could have just really focused on the basics first. And so it was such a huge moment for me, and this kind of had clicked last week, and I really started implementing these past few days, and it has helped tremendously because today I already followed up with over 30 people. I invited 13 brand new people, that sort of thing, where before I would have followed up with maybe 10 and invited 4 or 5 people. So it's just been a huge eye-opener to where, really prioritizing and shifting that weight and bulk part of my day to inviting, expanding my network, and following up with people, and always be proof that the products work. So drinking my Shakeology and exercising and that sort of thing every day. So Christy asked me to share this with you guys, so I hope this was helpful, and I guess I'll talk with you soon. Thanks.